Alright, so we are doing the power steering lines. This is Earl's power steering line fittings and hose. The only reason I went with silver instead of black when everything else, all the other fittings are black, is I couldn't get the 90 that I needed in silver. This is a aeromotive fitting, just to push on. It's a return, so you don't need stuff like this. So this is just another Earl's fitting. They don't sell too many different kinds. The older boxes are threaded. I think it's like 18 by something and 17 by something. I'll put up the parts probably as I'm talking here, the part numbers. You basically just need these two fittings that go to -6, I think it is. And then because the Holley power steering pump is a -6, that comes out the back right there, which again you could probably change because there's a banjo here, so if you wanted to make the line you can make it whatever you want. Yeah, that's basically it, man. Just getting these power steering lines in. Just use these wire cutters to cut through the hose. It works pretty good. Sometimes it'll fray the inside end, but you just use a razor, cut the little hairs off, and cuts through the metal fine. So yeah, just a quick update. I'll have a 90, so it'll be a 90 out here and it'll loop around and come in there. And then this one I haven't got to yet. I just put the fitting on, but I'm hoping I can do a 90 under the pressure line, and hopefully it'll slide onto that. I think it will. We will see. So yeah, get back to it. Just some info on putting these hoses together. So just unscrew it. Help if you twist it the right way. So this has threads in it, reverse threads. Twist that hose on. You don't really need the vise, but it's easier with it. And then I put the hose in the vise with, hold that thing down. I thread this in by hand, this part. Hold this in the vise after it's in as far as I can, and then use a wrench with some tape. These are stainless fittings, so pretty hard to goal up, but it's not like the aluminum stuff that comes on the A and stuff that comes on that. Those are aluminum, super easy to mess up. I have an aluminum monkey wrench for that, pressure wrench, whatever the hell. Yep, back to it. Just wanted to show you guys how I do this, what I was talking about. Just taped up the bottom fitting. There's still threads showing. You gotta get that all the way. This shit will focus. You get those threads all the way up. I'll just use these. A little bit of tape on them just to be safe. You see the tape's already coming off, but the fitting, perfect. It's stainless. If you ever try to cut stainless, you know how hard stainless is. So yeah, other end's on. I was trying to make it so the writing doesn't face up because it looks like shit, even though I could probably wipe it off. So I think I will be able to do that. Get back to it. So I got one done. Now I just gotta do the return, which is gonna suck. And you could really just use rubber hose with the hose clamp on there. But you know, matchy matchy.